everybody. I'm Vanetta.
And I'm Peme.
And we're VMP.
So today we're going to be answering a few questions. So we're doing a little bit of a Q&A. And today is Sunday, and Sunday means cheat day. So we get to eat whatever we want. And this is our norms.
On a Sunday.
On a Sunday. So we have Hal Pizza here. We usually grab the Lust Deluxe on thin stretch base. Today we have two, and they're both double. We love this pizza because it just has that yellow sauce. That béarnaise sauce. Netta usually gets her chicken tenders with garlic mayo. I usually get
wedges.
Wedges, but not today, because instead of wedges we have these bad boys.
Okay. Amen.
Israel's.
I know, it's like what Beme's nephews say.
I watch a whole lot of mukbangs. It's pretty much just people who love to eat and love to talk. So they just pretty much just talk to the audience. So I've just googled online, just the classic husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend tags. But there's also a few questions over the last couple of weeks that I've had from a few people on Facebook, on Instagram, just asking us just personal questions, and it's good for you guys to get to know more about us. So we're going to kind of mix it up between the one we found on Google and some of the personal ones that we got asked by friends and family.
So Beme wouldn't let me know what the questions are, so if I stumble or hesitate, it's because I genuinely have no idea. Yeah.
So good. When and where did we meet?
Oh my gosh, really? So we met at Beme's 30th, but not that I was invited or anything. It was at Dirty Little Secret in 2016. Yeah.
I mean, she was there with her girls and I was there for my birthday. We had a mutual friend. We got talking. I saw her on the dance floor, and then the rest is history. I think that's for another question.
That was like the PG version of how we met. Really? Okay. Who said I love you first?
I think it was Netta. It was Netta. How many months in?
September, I think. So it was like, I don't know, 3 months.
3 months? Yeah. It's pretty early.
I don't know.
We were good
when you
for
know,
it.
you know. So.
When is my birthday?
1st of June, 86.
Did you have to say?
Then look though.
No, I was just laughing at how you get my date of birth.
Oh, I don't know.
3rd of Feb.
Okay, cool.
Where was I born?
Auckland.
What hospital?
I don't know, whatever hospital is up in Auckland. Is that the hospital you were born at? Oh.
The old St. Helens.
Okay.
St. Helens.
I don't know. I thought I was proud of myself because I knew that he was born in Auckland. Okay, where was I born?
Rotorua? No, Wellington.
Okay, yeah.
Wellington Hospital.
Yeah.
I'm sitting in front of the TV screen.
Yeah. What are you watching?
What's on the screen?
Wow. I think I actually just rolled my eyes then. Mukbang videos. Like actual, it's pretty much just been mukbang videos for ages. Yeah. And then there was like a period where it was just Dragon Ball Z 24/7.
No, I'm not gonna lie. Netta watches a whole lot of cheesy stuff. And it hasn't stopped since we had Olivia. She tries to make excuses saying like, I'm only putting this on because Olivia blah blah blah. But she continues to watch like cheesy as. There's a company or production that make the cheesy as.
Hallmark channel?
Hallmark. What the hell? Who watches that stuff?
I love it.
When and where did you meet my parents?
I met your parents at Beme's house. So Beme like organised for me to come around for dinner. And yeah, I think I cooked a lasagna. I cooked the lasagna. I remember this. I cooked the lasagna and I took over like 2 bags of salad. And then I remember bringing it in, and like Nima came in. It was like the first time I met Nima, and Nima was like, "Who brought the salad?" And I was like, "Oh, jokes." I was trying to be all like nice and stuff.
Netta's family live in Sydney, but the 21st was in Brisbane. It was in Brisbane, eh? And yeah, I met their parents pretty much had this big ass function, so it wasn't quiet, it wasn't a low key dinner meeting.
And it wasn't just my parents.
It wasn't meeting just the parents, it was meeting the whole family, eh? Whole family. First impressions, I thought Margaret hated me.
Because it was a Christian.
No, to be honest, like, I thought Margaret was like, who is this guy, sort of thing.
She probably was.
Yeah, like, with Ray, nah, it was pretty good. We just clicked just like that. What's my shoe size? What's my shoe size?
14.
Yep, 14.
Sometimes 13.
Sometimes 13. Your size is size 8.
It used to be size 8 and then I got pregnant.
This is excuses.
No, but it's true though. Size 8, got pregnant, got fat, and now I'm a size 9.
I was gonna say 8.5.
No, straight size 9. Wide foot now. What's my weirdest habit?
I need to make sure like the house looks nice. Before we go out, like there's always got to be something that Neda has to be doing. But that's not necessarily a bad thing though. I'm sure Neda's like, it's normal to pick up your clothes on the ground. No, weird habit. That's Olivia on the ground.
Like on the pavement. Not just on the ground. Femi's weirdest habit is...
Straight away answer, get ready to answer, put down the food.
I can just come up with a habit, like I've got an image, so every time Femi cooks in a frying pan, he always just fills it up with water and leaves it on the stove. And there was like this meme on Facebook and it had a picture of that same thing and it went and said something along the lines of when you go and do this with the intention of cleaning it later, but Femi never cleans it later.
The only reason why I do that,
Oh, here we go.
because you know how you turn off the element and it's still kind of hot and it's just simmering down? You add water, this is just tip number 1. You add water, put it on the element that's cooling down, and then the oil or the butter that you've been using, it will just like, you know, start rotating. And then for the next person to pick it up, they go, oh,
yeah, the next
sweet.
person, right? Shouldn't it just be you pick it up and clean it?
Yeah, in my head I was like, yeah, the next person is me. I'm gonna come back in 10 minutes once it's, you know, done its thing. You pour it out, and then, you know,
Homemade dishwasher.
all the oil's gone, and then you're like, oh, sweet. Now I don't have to ruin my new sponge.
So for those of you who haven't watched, Femi had a vlog put up a couple of weeks ago about him losing 40 kgs in 5 months. And if you haven't watched it, watch it because it's pretty epic.
The link will be down in the description.
Yeah, how and why 3 a.m. So why did you choose to work out at 3 a.m.?
3 a.m. it's the only time. And like people say, what do you mean it's the only time? When me and my brother first started training, we had our own reasons. We go,
I'm not gonna get it.
yeah. First 3 weeks. Hi Olivia. First 3 weeks.
Which you can see my pajama pants.
Say hi guys. So the first 3 weeks we hadn't joined the gym at all. So we were just walking up hills, you know, kind of on the flat. We were quite heavy to start off. So like we started off at 170 kgs each. I was pretty shocked at myself really, like, you know, how we got that big and that heavy. The first goal was the wedding, and that was in our head hard out. And then once Olivia was born, it just changed. And like 3 a.m. is the only time I get to, you know, work on myself physically. So, you know, I'm working. After work, I'm tired. No one wants to do a workout after, you know, like a 10-12 hour shift. And then I need to hang out with Olivia. You know, obviously she was quite young, so like it was good for her to get to know her dad. So 3 a.m. was the best time, and like it works for both ways. Like for me and my brother, he started at 7 at the earliest. I started at 7. And 3 a.m. Works fine for us. So yeah, that's why we do 3 a.m.
So for those who don't know, we just got married 2 weeks ago now. Nerves leading up to the wedding. Nah, the only nerves I had was just about the weather, because we'd planned for an outdoor wedding. Yeah, and just totally did not. We'd like purposely chosen to have, we chose to have the wedding in November, like obviously knowing that it was spring, but more so because we didn't want it to be too hot. And so yeah, as fate would have it, we got the complete opposite and it was freezing and raining. So I had no nerves about marrying this guy or... Nah. Oh.
I just knew that if it was going to rain, it's going to rain. If it's going to be sunny, it's going to be sunny. Like the main thing was, you know, we're going to be spending this day with all our friends and family. And that was the main thing, yeah. Shut up! When is the next vlog? So me and Netta's last vlog was the baby vlog, obviously. It was the gender one. If you guys haven't seen it, I can link it down in the description below as well. That was the baby reveal vlog. So that was the last time me and Netta did something together. And now the gender has come alive.
The gender has come alive.
What's my middle name?
Pemerika.
Got me. How do you spell my middle name?
Pemerika. What's my middle name?
Pemerika. Yeah, it is.
Akitupo.
What's that?
Yeah, that's the adult. It's Pemerika Akitupo.
Oh yeah, Pemerika Akitupo. Oh, easy.
Yeah, but legally it's nothing.
Who usually wins our arguments?
Who usually wins our arguments?
Yeah.
I kind of think me.
Okay. Make a noise if you say me. Who usually wins the arguments of mummy and daddy? Me? Mum? Me? Oh, excuse me. Toxic. It's 50-50, I reckon, eh? Sometimes her, sometimes me. A little bit of a seesaw.
You can't eat that yet, Baba. You're still too little.
Ah, what was my first job?
I don't know what his first job is. I just know you did like heaps of random jobs. You did like a sales job for like a day. Yeah, like you used to work at the airport.
Fail. Online shopping.
Oh, Woolworths.
Woolworths.
Yes, that's right. I forgot about that. That's pretty random. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, so what was my first job?
McDonald's.
No.
What? Is there something before McDonald's?
Yeah.
Nah, because the Lynx was after McDonald's, eh?
You're trying to tell me no, it's not my first job.
What? I thought McDonald's eat. You're working with your mum.
Well, not working with my mum, but I worked at my mum's job.
No.
Yeah.
Who is the organised one in a relationship?
Me!
That was too easy. Who is more jealous?
Oh, probably me.
Why are you more jealous?
But then, hey!
And obviously, you know, like, we're still getting to know each other. We're like, obviously we're still in our own circle of friends or whoever friends you were talking to just before we met. But yeah.
It just reminded me, so like messages on my phone, and then got real like cranky about it. Like real angry. I get this message from him while I'm at work, and I was just like, what the hell? How did you even see those messages? Because somebody went through my phone.
Oh, we're going into detail now, eh? This is other time. No, Netta was never like that. She was pretty good. She kind of knew that I was... Trying to keep going. How did you get your mindset to change from heavy junk to healthy? What is the key? That is me clapping underneath the table. The main key is just do it in small steps. It wasn't a cold turkey thing, so I didn't do it cold turkey. I am a all or nothing kind of guy, and Netta knows that. If I have a goal or I have a target, I'll do whatever it takes to get there. But in this day and age, when you have a kid, you're going older.
Getting older.
You're getting older. You have different priorities now. You know, you gotta look after your parents, the little one, ourselves. You know, you can't do that cold turkey stuff. That comes back tenfold. Ooh, tenfold! When I started this weight loss journey was to do things in small steps. When I ate a lot of KFC, I had it with fizzies, you know. Then the first week I'd have it without fizzies. I'd just have water, or I'll have sparkling water if you guys like sparkling water. Then the next week, keep eating your food like KFC and stuff. The next time, have no chips, just coleslaw and KFC. By the end of the month, every 2 months, you're eating just KFC, or you're just eating Just KFC without the skin.
Hey, you don't know what chicken is.
My main advice is just do stuff in small steps, you know.
Surely, the kiki voice.
How much weight have you lost now? So I think that question was to me. That was a couple of weeks as well ago.
It was to me. No.
Before the wedding, I had lost a total of about 43 kilos. 43 kilos. So I started at 170. But then after the wedding, we had like, me and my brother had like a 10-day gap. And we pretty much had a whole week where we just, no training, just eat whatever we want, you know. It was post-wedding, you know, we're just coming off like a pretty stressful and busy weekend. But a cool weekend, gained a bit of weight. I gained about 5-6 kgs, like in a week. This is because I was eating stuff like this, but every single day and just high volume. So I went up to about 131-ish, 132. After 1 week of coming back, I'm down around 125-ish. I'm pretty much lighter than wedding day, pretty much. But yeah, which is cool.
The longest.
Are you on keto? Definitely not on keto because I love my carbs. I choose to eat rice. Mainly rice is the main carbs and veggies, just for energy, pretty much.
Do you want to get into the donuts?
Yeah, should we get into the donuts? So these are Friday donuts. They're between the arena and Pemerika Museum. So like if you guys want to check them out, check out their Facebook, Friday Donuts.
So take us through the flavors.
So the flavors we have, what we have over here are Reese's peanut butter donuts. So I've got 2 of them. This one here, this guy here is raspberry vanilla chocolate. This one here is the Rolo. I don't know if you guys remember the old school Rolo chocolate. This one's filled with that Rolo chocolate goodness. And these 2 here are Whittaker's dark chocolate, salted caramel thingy. Whittaker's dark chocolate, salted caramel.
Okay, I'll try this one.
Okay, that's why the other one's just way different. First impressions? I'm gonna try this guy. Peanut butter, I love peanut butter, right?
They almost remind me of Raro donut.
Reese's peanut butter, here we go.
But the texture is like quite it's not light and fluffy. It's dense.
Because they knew that we were eating it the next day, so they said to keep it in a tight sealed container. Don't put it in the fridge, but leave it in a tight sealed container in room temperature.
Should we taste these? We have a bite of these cold and then go warm them up, just so we know.
No, I'm gonna warm them up straight away.
Oh, okay.
This is a minute.
Okay. Did you see the knife that he just came out with? Put up to the camera, maybe. You
Rolo.
can smell the chocolate goodness.
Rolo and the Whittakers.
Okay.
Alright. I'm gonna get straight into the Whittakers.
Yum. Okay.
Way bit of hot.
Yeah, that is yum. And this is the Whittakers. Okay.
You can't wait to eat solid tea. You want to eat some donuts when you grow up?
No.
No. You are eating broccoli. Roller, here we go.
My favorite's the Rolo.
Rolo is yum. This
Yeah.
yellow.
It's delicious. Oh my darling.
You okay? You okay? Who's looking at me? Look at the hottest guy in the room. You looking at? what did you give the donuts overall out of 5? Compared to every other donut you've had. Out of 5.
I feel bad, but perhaps like a 2.
2. Because even the donuts at bakeries are a bit more fluffy, eh?
Yeah.
The actual, just because this just tastes like bread with icing on it. Say it,
I know, I do. I feel bad, but I'm just being honest.
I'll give it a 3. Yeah. We don't need to rate any halal pizza because we get that nearly every Sunday, so we know we're liking that. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed our video, please give it a thumbs up. Greatly appreciate it. Thanks for all the love. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers as well. Thank you guys. Our channel is slowly turning into a family channel, so most of our videos or content will be family based. And now we've got this little one who's wide awake enjoying these videos. Give us a like, subscribe and share please. Thank you, we appreciate all your support, and if you guys have any other requests about, or if you want us to keep making these mukbang videos, if you have any requests for food and stuff like that, let us know. But yeah, we're signing out. This is VMP and OMG. Peace.
Bye.
I want to do what she's doing now.